Good morning, it's Jennifer Sparks. Today I'm going to be taking you to Ocean Casino in Atlantic City, New Jersey. Formerly, it used to be called Revel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe if you like this kind of content. I travel all the time. I usually do resort reviews, but this week, we're going to be doing casino reviews as I spent a whole week in Atlantic City, New Jersey. The slot bonuses are so much fun. Thank you so much for watching. I know this wasn't a very long one. We weren't there too long, but these are some other videos I made of where we ate. The Tropicana Casino, the Caesars. We went to Gordon Ramsay's Pub and Grill, the Flagship Resort. This is where we stayed. The Hard Rock Casino, that was my favorite. I love that one. Resorts, really cool historic hotel. This is a Marriott Vacation Club property that's not too far. And I'm going to be doing Borgata next. Haven't done that one yet. If you like this content, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Safe travels to you.